Hello everybody, this is Brian back with the Kaspa update here. Boy, this thing looks ready to go again. We talked yesterday about how a pullback rate to here would make sense. When we did the video, we were up here somewhere, and a pullback to there made perfect sense. Right back to support. That's what usually, will happen with a coin. It cools off for a minute, and this thing looks like it might be ready to go again. So I'm going to show you guys, we're going to look at this chart, and I'm going to show you guys what would have happened if you would have invested when this coin first came out. I'm going to show you some numbers that'll blow your mind. I wish I would have gone in when it first launched. That would have been absolutely incredible, but I'm going to show you what a million coins would have cost you and what it would be worth today, and some possible price targets for this thing in the future. So if you would, please hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. We do a giveaway the last day of the month, and all you have to do to enter it is be a subscriber. So would love to have you. Got a great community going here, a lot of good people, so come join us. Here's your top 100. You can see a little bit of green out there. As the morning goes on, more and more of them are popping green. Looks like Bitcoin is starting to make a move, so that'll help the rest of these things out, that's for sure. Here's the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Look at that volume, up 46.2% over the last 24 hours. Market cap's down 0.59%. Bitcoin dominance is up 0.14%, and we're still at a 63 in the greed. That's where we were yesterday. Here's your top gainers and top losers. You can see here that solar, it's in the top 100 now, but it's up 20% again today. Not even sure what that is. I'll have to look into that. There's so many of them that pop up here and there. Cardano, that thing's doing great. I cover Cardano. We've been waiting for that thing to go. Arbitrum's down again here, but Phantom's down a little bit. I cover some of these coins. But all right, let's get back to this Kaspa here. I want to show you guys something here. All right, this is on CoinMarketCap. The circulating supply, 17,692,000,000 coins. It sounds like a big number, but in crypto it's not. Okay, XRP has 100 billion maximum supply. Okay, this has 28, so this has 1/4 of what XRP has as far as a maximum supply, which is pretty awesome if you ask me. That means the sky's the limit for this thing. Down the road I could absolutely see this thing, not financial advice at all, but clipping $1 I think will be a piece of cake. I really do. So let's get some numbers here. Let's look. If we go down here to the bottom, you're going to have your all-time high and your all-time low. Okay, 10 months ago was the all-time low for this thing. So let's pull up a calculator here and look at some numbers. All right, the all-time low, 0.0001699. Right there. Okay, now say you wanted to you bought a million coins. You want 1,000, 10,000, 100, 1 million. Okay, that would have cost you $170 to buy 1 million Kaspa. Okay, now today that $170 investment. Okay, let's take that million, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Sorry, there's no commas there, so it's kind of 0.040023. That would be worth $40,230 off a $180 investment. Isn't that something? And who knows where this, like I said, that's I wouldn't be surprised if this thing hits $2-3. Who knows? Who really knows? It's a new crypto. It's only 10 months old, and all the new listings it's getting on all these sites and exchanges is really jacking this price up. I mean, it's just taking off. So let's get a look at this thing. All right, the 4-hour RSI, you can see that thing at the bottom is just spinning up, getting a little bit of volume coming in here, and this thing is trying to go to the next level here. Let's put a Fibonacci on here, and it is right at that 786. Okay, it came right up to that last fib level, what we want to see is that obviously break through that. We need to break that resistance. That where is it up here? 0.04 1849. We need to bust through that. Just say 0.042. Okay, to be safe. We need to bust that level, and I could see us heading up to this next price area. Okay, I would strongly see it heading right up into this zone here. Okay, then who knows, might blow right past that. It's really hard to tell what it'll do from there. We'll have to regroup after this, but I see this thing making a move today. I really do. The 2-hour RSI is just heading up. The 1 hour is a little overextended, but it can ride at the top for a long time. It really can. That 1 hour, that 4 is the one that I want to keep an eye on here. And you can see we regained support. Let me show you this on the 4 hour. Let me get the chart just up here. There we go. You can see we regained that. We rode this the whole way up the support line. Okay, rode it the whole way up. Lost it with that pullback right there, but now we have regained it. You can see it's went up in there on the 1 hour. I'll show you that it's went up in there and retested it, and it's holding it just fine. You can see we got back in and the retest. 3 hours now. 1, 2, 3. 3 candles, and it's holding up just fine. So I'll keep an eye on this rest of the day, guys. We need some volume coming in, okay, to support another breakout. And obviously we've gotten a ton of it lately down there. 357, 352 million. What was that big green one? 710 million. Then we had some 789 million somebody sold right there. And yeah, we got 3 solid greens and 1 red there as far as the daily candles down there at the bottom. I was getting them numbers from right up here. Okay, well, you can see it, 352 million, 357 million. You know, it gives you an idea. 369. That's almost 1 billion coins. Somebody sold 790 million there, and there's a buy for 710 million. So that kind of washed itself out there. So we've had more buying than selling pressure. So this thing looks great. If it starts moving later, I'll get another video out. But keep an eye on that price level up there. If it breaks through that 0.042, then I see this thing heading up right into that price area, the first range there, and it might bust up through there and then bounce back here and consolidate and retest this as support now, because right now it is resistance. So alright guys, hey, please hit that subscribe button, and thank you so very much for watching my video. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys soon.